Hello all you wonderful people, my name is Viprav and we'll be downloading Java and Intellij today. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is search up Java SE. Go ahead and click on the Java Downloads Oracle and then scroll down and click on Windows. If you're on Windows, if you're on Mac, go ahead and click on Mac and download this exe file. Go ahead and save it wherever you want. I'll be saving it inside my desktop. And wait for it to download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and click on it. So just this part is really easy. Just continue clicking on next, next, next. And basically the installer will do all the work for you. It's really that easy. This is how you download Java. And that's it. You have Java SE downloaded completely on your computer. Now all we have to do is copy the path where our Java is downloaded and give it to Windows so it can figure out where our Java is so it can run Java. So go to your File Explorer, go to this PC, go to your C drive, and scroll down until you see Program Files. So there's my program files. And scroll down again to Java. You'll see your JDK 18.0.11 over here. Go into the bin folder and copy this path over here. Now search up Advanced System Settings. Click on Environment Variables. Scroll down over here and you'll see a little path. Click on Edit and then click on New, paste the path that you just copied and click OK. Go ahead and OK all of these guys and you're done. We're just going to double check if our Java is properly downloaded. So type in cmd, open your cmd or command prompt and type in Java space dash dash version and you should see your Java downloaded properly here. Now we're going to download Intellij. So go to Google, type in Intellij and click on the first link you see and literally just download Intellij. There's the button right there. To make sure you download the community version, that's the one that's free, so we'll be using that. And download it wherever you want. I'll be downloading to my desktop. And wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, double click it. And you should see the following options. Just click next for all these guys too. You don't have to worry about it. Just keep on clicking next. And now you have Intellij downloaded. Well done. And that's basically it. That's how you download Java and Intellij. In the next video, we'll be running our first Java program. So I'll see you then. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.